Okay, let's move on to next mission. This mission is 제기차기 or 시파.
문제가 바뀌는구나.
네. next 시파. 나몰라 쳤다 시파. 시파가 놀라. Tapos this mission is 제기차기 or 시파. So si Fano at yung fan.
Hello, bro. Alright. Talisman. 카리스마. 카리스마. 붙이면 카리스마? 탈리스마. 나이스 투.
Si ate naiyak. Okay, so si Fano at yung fan, ating karisma, ay mag-take turn to kick the Jenny. Yung sipa. Marunong ka magsipa, ate? Okay, so Fano once, Fano first, Fano once, and ate karisma will kick once, and Fano once again. So ulitin ko si Fano mag-umpisa, tapos si ate karisma, tapos pag sinipa ni Fano ulit, so total 3. 1, 2, 3, success! Okay. Success. So, Fano, are you ready? Are you ready, Fano-ni?
I'm ready.
Okay. So, wait. It's very hard. Very hard. I'll give you one practice time. Practice time.
Okay.
One more practice. Okay? Practice. Let's go. 1, 2, 5.
Oh my God.
Ate, galingan mo, pagtalo ka, tayo mag-picture, ha? Balas ka nun. Nandito si Kim no? Ang lapit-lapit mo na to, naka-picture. Okay, one more practice.
먼저? 그러면
Si Fano first. Huwag mo baguhin rules, ate, ikaw talaga. Binabago mo, kaya naman kami practice. Okay, si Fano din muna. Fano muna, tapos ikaw, kaya mo yun. Okay, one more. Let's go, practice.
Nakaka-pressure.
1, 2, hey! Ganon. Grabe, nahirap mo si Sonoki. Okay, are you ready, ate? Ate Karisma, are you ready? Akita yung mic para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay, ready? Ito na po ito, ha? Ready? Sipa. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go.
Sipa!
한번.
Ate, ayusin mo.
One more time. Two more chance, last 2 more chance. One more chance.
두 번 더.
2 more chances, okay?
2 more chance left.
긴장하지 마요.
Don't be nervous, it's nothing.
Don't be nervous, okay? Let's go. Thank you, ate. Good luck sa'yo mamayang gabi. Mahirapan ka matulog.